Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. So today I have another video for you guys, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my passion twists. I've had this hairstyle in for literally a week, and I love it. I really do like it. It's a very convenient, comfortable hairstyle to be in. It's very natural looking. I love the way it looks. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I did it. But before that, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do make sure to click the subscribe button. So as most of you know, I do my hair by myself, and this hairstyle was no different. I did do this one by myself. I'm not gonna really show you how I did the whole thing. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it 2 times, so you can get like the perfect chunky twist. So before that, I'm going to show you the products I use to moisturize my hair, because I realized I didn't show you those in the clips. To moisturize my hair as it's being braided, the first thing I do is I put in some Cantu leave-in shea butter, leave-in conditioner. I just saturate my hair with that and keep it going. And then I kind of do the lock method, but I don't do the oil. But and then on top of that, I put the fro butter. And I love this because it makes my hair smell so good. So I use those to moisturize my hair, and that's how I keep my hair moisturized under my protective styles. And then on the hair itself, I didn't put this on my scalp because I don't like product on my scalp like that. But on the ends, to make sure that it blended in with the extensions, I used the Shine and Jam. And this one is a clear one. Yellow looking, I don't know, is it clear or is it yellow? I think it's clear. So for the hair I didn't use the Free Trust Water Wave that everybody uses, partly because I couldn't find it in the colors that I wanted on the day that I needed to do my hair. So I could have ended up ordering it from Amazon, but it was gonna take too long, and I needed to do my hair that weekend because I had homework to do, and that was the only weekend I was free. So the hair I ended up using is the Lulu Tress hair, and it looks like this. I got it in the color T1B30. It ends up being kind of like an ombre color, as you guys see here. I really wanted the ombre color because I didn't want it to be just black. Why? I don't know. I've been feeling color lately, so I wanted to do some color. So I did this. The thing I really like about this texture, this hair company, water wave, is that the texture is a little bit kinkier. So it looks really, I would say, even though it's kind of silky towards the base, it has a kinkier texture. It looks really good as far as making it look like it's natural hair. I don't know. It has a kinkier texture, and I personally prefer that. So, and I haven't seen any videos with people doing it with the Lulu Tress hair. So in case you guys want to try it out, I love how it looks with the Lulu Tress hair. Obviously, I've never tried the water wave. People have done it with the water wave, and it looks amazing on them, but they didn't have it in Ombre in the store I went to. So I ended up choosing this hair, and I'm very happy with my results. So I guess that's it for the intro. Let's get on into the video. So I'm just gonna take this one out for you guys to see. So when I first did my hair, I did it on stretched out hair. So I hadn't braided hair in a long time, so my hair didn't really hold, which was like the frustrating part of it. So I was pretty sad about that. But my hair was blow dried, and because the way my hair blow dries, like it blow dries almost silky straight. So it just, like, a lot of them are kind of loose, even though like I just did the hair like last week. So I'm just gonna detangle my hair, and I'm gonna take the braid that I used previously. So this is literally 2 strands of hair. I don't like the way they look all stringy, so I prefer to use 2 strands, which is how I got kind of this like chunky look. So I'm going to braid. You don't have to. I prefer to braid because it gives me a stronger grip on my hair. Plus, I don't know how to like twist like that, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna do it this way. I'm like sitting on my jacket. So basically, all you're gonna do is you're gonna start off your braid or twist. Mine is gonna be a braid. So I'm gonna start it off. Grip as tightly as I can.
How are you doing, Tomi?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Man, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Like, absolutely gorgeous. No Nigerian growing up besides my sisters on your level. Like, you are.
Sorry guys, I was interrupted by one of my friends. And then when you get to a point that you're comfortable with, because my hair is very fine, I kind of did mine a little bit different. I mean, I ended it a little bit later, but towards the top, I kind of did like a Senegalese twist to lock in my hair. And then as I go further down, I start to like kind of loosely twist it and then pull like that. So every few, so just like a loose twist and pull, and then keep like loose twisting it and pulling, trying to keep the tension on the hair. You can honestly do this a little bit further down, but just depends on you. Let's see, it's already starting to curl good. Just continue doing that towards the end. And then mine was kind of already knotted towards the end, but there. So that is how you would make your passion twist. I'm gonna show you again. You know what, let's do this one. This one honestly had a really good look, but we're gonna redo it for the purposes of this video. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna detangle. My hair is pretty smooth right now, so I can use this type of comb and just take a little bit of it. It doesn't have to be that much. Like I barely have anything on my finger. And just take it on the ends of it. I'm gonna start mine off with a braid because I like braids. It's gonna help it stay in my hair, my head a little bit longer. So I'm just gonna start off with a braid, trying to grip as much hair as possible. So now I'm gonna start like Senegalese twisting it at the top so my hair can blend in. And then once I'm comfortable, I'm gonna start just loosely, it's still gonna be like a Senegalese twist, but barely, and loosely twisting it, and then pull and try to keep that tension on the hair. Like it took me all the way until like I got towards the top part of my hair to actually realize that that's how you do it. So some of the ones in the back that I did are a little bit straighter. Wow, my accent changes so much, it's crazy. So you just want to try to keep that tension on the hair while you're twisting, and that's what will help it to curl up like that. At the end, you just kind of want to twirl it a little bit. Some of them will stay twirled, some of them will not. And then when you let go, it should have formed a really nice passion twist. So mine are a little bit neater because I prefer that look. So it just depends on what you like. But yeah, so since we're here, why don't we do like baby hairs? I never do baby hairs, but for some reason I'm in the mood, so I just got all my products and we're gonna do some baby hairs. So the product I really like using is the Curls Blueberry Curl Control Paste. This is what I use to slick my hair all the time and I just love it. I'm gonna take some product on my fingers, but I'm gonna kind of brush out the hairs I want first. I've never done baby hairs with makeup on, so this will be interesting. Let's see. Not like, fortunately my hair is growing back, so I don't really have baby hairs anymore, but we'll see. I don't know, I guess you just like slick the front a little bit. I don't know. I don't do baby hairs, guys. This is really an experience. And plus, I think I need like a flat comb. I don't know how my sister does her baby hairs with like brushes like this, because I have some baby hairs going on like right here. This is interesting. So I kind of did something right there too. I don't know. I don't know how all this stuff works. But it looks pretty distant to me, so I'm gonna stop there before I ruin my makeup. I'm just gonna put this on my edges. And honestly, because I have somewhere to go, I'm gonna take my blow dryer. I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit. Okay guys, I did some baby hairs. They're not even, but they're cute, and that's all that matters. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Leave them down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer those. Link to the hair, if I can find it online, I will definitely put that in the description bar as well as all the products that I used here today for this video. Yeah, like I said, let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's grow this family. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you and God bless. Bye.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape.